All right, this is the Raider Report. We're here with Mount Union men's head women's track and field coach Kevin Lucas. Coach, today's the first day of the OAC tournament. Quickly give us your overview of how you think the first day went.
You know, not too bad. I give us about a B on the day. We did have some, like any conference meet, you have some good things happen, and you have some things that didn't happen so good. So, had a couple all-conference guys. Had Scott Wolf ended up getting all-conference in the 3K. Had a DMR that was second overall. You know, we had Scott Thomas, who actually is coming up. He's the #1 seed in the 55 dash going into tomorrow and in the 200.
Corey Hoover, first in the 500.
Yeah, Corey Hoover had a really good day in the 5, looking pretty good for tomorrow. So excited to see what happens tomorrow, and hopefully we can get a few more points. And you know, I don't know about bringing home the title, but we'll see what we can do. So.
On the women's side, you know, you're scrambling around a little bit. Obviously, we all know Mary Mahoney couldn't compete this weekend, but he still had some great performances. You had Kristen Hanley finish second in the 3,000, all conference honors for her. You had some good qualifying. Alexis Campbell's fourth in the 55. Lisa Brzdovich is, you know, she's in the 200 and the 55 and the 400, so strong. She made the finals in all those. And Emily Mazzaferri first in the 500 meters after today. So.
Exactly. You know, it's one of those things when you have prelims and semis and things. I always tell everybody today is about making it to tomorrow, and you know, that's what we did today. We got people from, you know, the prelims into the finals, and so hopefully we can come in with some good performances tomorrow on the ladies' side. See what we can do.
Yeah, you can't score points unless you make the finals. So exactly. You got to get in the finals to make it. And I think, you know, the men. I think the only guy we missed, Joe Dublack. You know, he's fifth in the 55 hurdles, so yeah. he's still competing. And talk a little bit about that DMR race. That was a great race. Finished second. Where you know, had a shot there, and you know, still second place. Very good.
Yeah, DMR. You know, we tried to load that up. We had an all year, and had Ty lead off and handed off in the lead, and Kohler held on to it. And, Hoover ran a really good, solid 800 leg. You know, the guy he was running against from Northern was a pretty talented guy. So Tim just, you know, kind of shut things down at the end because the gap was a little bit too much. Had to save his legs a little bit for tomorrow, but ended up getting second in that, and you know. Did okay.
Some guys to look at tomorrow. You talked a little bit about Tim, who's going to run the 1,000 1K tomorrow,
yeah.
And he's seated high going to that. Sean Denard in the shot put, seated high going into that. So still some great things to look for tomorrow.
Yeah, a lot of good things tomorrow. You know, we got Ty and Dan Whistler in the mile, and Josh Clements in the mile. Could get some big points there. That 1K is loaded up with 4 of our guys. You know, the 400 with Corey Smirk and Ryan Kohler. 200 obviously with Scott. You know, I think we've got some good points, and just gotta go out there and get them right now.
All right, so day one almost over. We still got a couple pole vaulters here, but still good day all around for the Raiders. Thanks, Coach.
Thank
You've been
you.
watching the Raider Report.